A world connected by flight paths, defying distance to bridge gaps between continents and people. But planes also made it possible for viruses to travel faster than ever before. That turned a local outbreak into a global pandemic. Around 90% of flights cancelled globally. Some airlines couldn't survive. Things are slowly taking off again, but the future of aviation looks very different. Health screening has become as important as security screening. Social distancing in once crowded airport terminals and on board may be the new normal, but how will the new normal ensure protection from a deadly virus that hasn't gone away?
Birds chirping at the EU's largest airport, Paris's Charles de Gaulle. An unusual silence where 1,300 flights used to take off and over 200,000 passengers transit each day.
We saw a 98% fall in passenger numbers. Since the lockdown measures began to be eased, we felt things moving a bit. Last week we had an average of around 10,000 passengers per day, which is about 20% more than the previous week. It's much less than last year, but we see an increase and some movement on the passenger side. Passengers need a good reason to travel at the moment. We expect new measures from the government starting June the 15th. We now have passenger restrictions until that date, and we expect a resumption of flights in the Schengen area on the 15th.
Du 15 au niveau des vols Schengen, essentiellement.